let's just look at this as an opportunity to connect to our nature in terms of our relationship to the natural world and the healing opportunity that's available. Drop into our body. Just feel your feet on the floor, and let's begin with a straight spine. Maybe pull your chin in a little and bring the top of your crown up to allow that energy to flow up the spine. Maybe imagining our rootedness from our tailbone and from the bottoms of our feet, a sense of roots going down into the earth. And just feel ourselves connecting to Pachamama, to our nourishment from the earth. Perhaps you can even feel the minerals and vitamins and sugars and all the things that are necessary for our body to be just coming up directly into us rather than through the food we actually directly connect and allow ourselves to be nourished in our gratitude for Mother Earth, knowing that we are made from her. And feel that sense of connection, perhaps coming up through the rootedness, and feel that earth energy of which we're made, just the connection. And as we notice how we're being breathed, we honor the air that connects us to everything. And the spaciousness. A big part of this practice is to bring the exterior spaciousness into our interior, to increase our capacity to hold the changes that are happening, and to make room for the speed of change. And we do that by allowing ourselves to breathe and expand and open, which helps us to digest undigested parts, suppressed parts of ourselves, dissociated, soul lost parts. So we honor the spirit of air and breath and space as we connect to that sense of spaciousness with the breath. And really, you can breathe and feel every pore of your body, every cell of your body being nourished. And we have this reciprocal relationship with the trees, the plants that give us oxygen. In Quechua, there's a word called Aini, which means sacred reciprocity. Interestingly enough, reciprocity comes from the same root as respiration. Sacred reciprocity, giving and taking. We're giving to the trees and receiving from them and all the plants. And so we honor that. And we open up on the other end of our spine, the crown of our head. And we open to the light. People who do the deeper work with me know the soul hovers, the light of the soul, about a meter above our head. And just see if you can breathe that light in. Just allow it to enter the crown and fill the body. the ancient sunlight of our ancestors. And we thank our ancestors, we thank the sun. That light is information from both the past and the future. So we open ourselves to it. And we breathe into that. And as we breathe in, we honor the spirit of Grandmother Moon, who's moving into fullness right now, who moves the water within us and without us. And feel a sense of the fluidity of our life and our body. The value of the water within us and without us, the precious, life-giving, nourishing water we often take for granted. You just turn on a tap and there's water, but so much more, such an important element. So we honor these elements and we express through our breath and through our life and the way we live our life, our deeper connection, our intimate connection with the web of life, with the earth and the fire and the water and the air, the moon. And we also honor the ancestors who literally have given us our life. And more than that, the ancestors give us a resiliency. They've been through viruses and plagues and famines, and they survived. We wouldn't be here if they hadn't survived. So in these changing times, we have this gift from the ancestors. We also have a gift from the descendants. As we breathe in, we can hear the voices of the future, the emergent future, the future that wants to emerge in us. In time of crisis or virus or something that stops us in our tracks, and we get quiet and we get still, we can hear the voices of our descendants guiding us to right action in our lives. Helping us to receive and accept the gifts and know that all is in perfect order. Nothing is wrong or needs to be fixed. It just needs to be loved to create the space for what's unfolding. We've done meditations on this, but really it's a matter of, can I embrace those parts of myself, my so-called self, that I haven't been allowing, that I've been trying to change or fix, rather than love and embrace and reclaim the space they take in our spacious interiority. our inner world. So we honor ourselves as an integral part of nature, perfect in harmony with all of the elements. And as we begin our day, begin in gratitude and reverence, opening to possibilities beyond what our small self is able to even imagine. As we step into the mystery, open, vulnerable, alive, allowing each breath to bring us into a more centered, connected place where we recognize and honor the interconnection with all of life, all of life. Let's just take a moment to breathe into that. And may the work that we do here today serve all of humanity, all life. May our actions be a gift to life itself. And so we begin our day and bring ourselves back fully into our body, breath.